I've never seen the water this blue before.
It's stunning. We made the right choice booking this trip.
Wow, this is incredible.
Get the ship in the background.
Got it. Everyone smile.
Welcome aboard the Ocean Majesty. Do you have your boarding passes ready?
Yes, here they are. It's beautiful here.
It truly is a magnificent evening.
To the finest cruise we've ever taken. Cheers!
This is absolutely divine.
I know, I don't want the night to end.
Go for it, buddy. Jump right in.
Here I come. That looks like so much fun.
This is the perfect way to end the evening. The lounge is exquisite.
Absolutely. And the view of the ocean is stunning tonight.
Harbor Control, this is the Ocean Majesty, currently holding position awaiting clearance.
Have you ever seen the ocean this rough on the Majesty?
No, this swell is much heavier than usual. I hope the storm passes soon.
Captain, look at the radar. I'm detecting something off the starboard bow.
Confirming the contact, sir. Bearing 090, speed closing fast.
It's not responding to hails. Sound the collision alarm.
Helm, confirm our current depth reading.
It's fluctuating, sir. We're showing unstable speed.
Alert the captain. Immediate diversion required.
What is that sound?
Oh my God, what's happening? We need to get to the lifeboats now.
¡Rápido, suban! ¡Ayúdenme, por favor!
Cuidado, cuidado!
I love you!
Sarah, are you there? We're on the promenade deck.
Pick up the phone, please pick up. Help us! Grab the rope!
Hold on tight. We're lifting. Oh, God. Thank you.
It is all right. You are safe now. Go with her, baby. Be strong. I love you.